These words are ending with ER, OR or OUR, and they're all making the schwat sound, which is just like a grunt sound. So usually an R-controlled vowel makes a long vowel sound, but because these are at the end of the word, we're not pronouncing them as a long vowel sound, we're changing them to a short up sound. So we're going settler, messenger, passenger, pastor, instructor, generator, stupor, flavour, labour, behaviour. So we're giving that, taking away that long vowel sound back to a short grunt sound or up sound. Now do take note within these words, if it's got a short vowel, it does have two consonants after the short vowel. Now pastor, we've got its broad sound the A is making. Now if we go down to generator, we've got the GE making the G make it soft sound J, and you've got another R-controlled vowel in the middle of the word. Now these next four words have long vowel sounds, so we'd be breaking those syllables straight after that long vowel sound. So that first syllable will be an open syllable, finishing with a vowel in each of them. Don't forget that I in behaviour, you need to actually mouth that as well. Now what do each of these words mean? Settler is a person who moves with others to live in a new area. A messenger is a person who carries a message or is employed to carry a message. A passenger is a person travelling on public or private transport. A pastor is a minister in charge of a Christian church. An instructor is a person who teaches something. A generator could be a person or thing that generates something. And it could also be a machine that converts mechanical energy into electricity. A stupor is a state of feeling foggy and only semi-conscious. Flavour is the distinctive taste of a food or drink. Labour is physical work or the process of childbirth. And behaviour is the way in which one acts or conducts oneself, especially towards others. In this section, we want you to write the list word after its definition. Fill in the gap with the missing list word. We've got some antonyms here, so you've got to find the list word that means the opposite of these three given words. Now down here we've got three idioms for you to complete and give their meaning. So to ape someone's behaviour means to mimic someone's behaviour, usually in a mocking way. And don't shoot the messenger means a call not to blame the bearer of bad news as they're only delivering it. They haven't caused the problem. And a labour of love would mean when you do some hard work for someone and you're doing it just because you love it, not because that you expect money or praise in return. So use the list words in a sentence. You've got 2 words for each of these sentences. On this day 3, we want you to circle the verb generated from a list word in the sentences and write it in the correct tense. So just circle it and write the word there. Change the list word into an adjective, then used in a sentence. So we've given you the prompts there. You have to write your own sentence on the line. Make the new words. So we've given you the prompts there and added some more here. So in Latin, pastor means shepherd. So pastoral can therefore describe land used for grazing animals, things associated with country life. Or within Christian churches and some school contexts can mean care for the well-being of people. So we want you to choose one of those meanings and write a sentence using the word pastoral in the correct form and making the sentence interesting for the reader. Okay, today's Day 4 activity is on syllables with open and closed syllables. So this is probably one of the most important things you're going to learn in reading and spelling, because once you understand this rule, you'll be able to read and write thousands of words that have more than one syllable, because the phonics becomes much simpler as we apply the rules of syllabification to longer words. So you can think of syllables as beats within a word. Every syllable must contain at least one vowel, golden rule. There are two types of syllables. We have open syllables and closed syllables. Open syllables end in vowels, and the vowel must make a long sound. So the long sounds would be their names. When the letters say, the vowels say their name. So it would be A, E, I, O, U, and they actually make a long sound. Now, closed syllables end in consonants, and the vowels make a short sound if there is only one vowel. So we've got A, E, O, A. So we've got hospital as an example. We've got a short O sound, so we close it with a consonant. Pit, we've got a short vowel sound in the I, and we close the syllable with a consonant. So all closed syllables, all short vowels. And we've got the AL at the end with another short vowel closed with the L. So omen, we have a long vowel, so we cut the syllable straight after that long vowel sound. We've got open with long vowel and close with a short vowel. So the men, we have a short vowel and we close the syllable with an N. Now note, dividing words into syllables depends on whether the vowel is short or long. R-controlled vowels are considered long vowels. That means they're open syllables. And I've put that in here too, end with a vowel or an R. So, if we have particular, we've got a long vowel in the AR and the U and the AR at the end. So after a long vowel, we cut the syllable. After the short vowel, we close the syllable with a consonant. Long vowel, leave it open, it's ending on a vowel. La at the end, R-controlled vowel, we leave it open, and the R is part of the vowel sound. So we want you to write the letters belonging to each syllable, so we want you to break these words up into their syllables. So you've got probation, you can hear where the splits are going to be. And it tells you that whether the vowel is long or short, because usually if you have a short vowel sound, you're going to close the syllable with a consonant, and you're probably going to start the next syllable with a consonant. So you usually quite often can have two consonants after a short vowel sound, but they don't have to be exactly the same. They can be different. So you will see a mixture of open and closed syllables through those. You may need to work through that as a group if you find it difficult.